Hello guys, this is Godsent of Scentfarms, and I'm happy to bring you guys this good news here at our quail brooding section. There's a good news guys, and I'm very happy we've attained that stage. And the good news is throughout the day 3 of brooding, and today is day 4, we've not actually lost any of these chicks. Yeah. I'm pretty excited. That goes to show that my effort is being rewarded with success. Today is day 4, and as you can see, they are looking very healthy. I just changed their drinking water, still having multivitamins inside to keep them nourished and boost their appetite so that they can be able to eat at any time to encourage their fast growth. And as you can see, we still have lots and lots of food on the ground. I really do not mind, because they will grow to the stage where they will still go back and pick them all up. So we're getting ready for the evening section, and also let me also inform you guys that the workload has actually reduced. Yeah, the intensive care that I used to be giving to them has actually reduced. Today making it the 7th day. They are 7 days old, as you can see them. Still looking small, but at least better off than the first time they came. And I think that's actually what has encouraged the stop in mortality rate. I'm pretty happy they are no longer dying. I think I've crossed the mortality threshold. Let me put it that way. Just getting our coal rekindled. This coal pot has not actually went off ever since we started the brooding. It's just been burning coal upon coal upon coal. So I have some coal on standby, and I have the feed I'm going to give them tonight. And also, I think they've also grown to understand that this is drinking water, is not a bath where you come and wet yourself up. So they've also grown to understand that. So we no longer have them trying to drown themselves, either intentionally or accidentally, inside the drinking water. So the only time they come around the drinking bowl is to get water to drink. So they no longer even walk inside of the water. So that as well will encourage them not to get themselves wet, which will lead to them having a cold. So guys, this is the update so far here at Scentfarms. We are very happy for the stage that we've attained, and this is 1 week gone. We're looking forward to more exciting revelations in the coming week. That's going to be making them 2 weeks. At 3 weeks old, I'm going to be moving them. 3 to 4 weeks old, I'm going to be moving them from this place, the brooding pen, to the breeder's pen, which will be outside of this place. And also the demand for heat has also reduced. They no longer demand that much heat. Last night I only came out to heat up the place, I think only twice. Yes, and that was at 1 a.m. and 4 a.m. I left them at around 11 p.m. Came back 1 a.m. to boost up the coal pot, and then came back again at around 4. Initially it was every hour. I was coming out every hour. Then the second day of brooding, it extended to 2 hours. Now we are having 4 hours interval coming to check on them at night when the weather is really cold. But during the afternoon, we really do not have that much time to check on them anymore, because they are now very active. I think the mortality threshold, the intensive care threshold has been elapsed, so the workload is actually reducing. There might still be mortality ahead, but I really do not think it's going to be something to worry about. So let me just spread the feed around for them and then get to other business. They're going to be agitated, so I'll put some there, put some here as well. Then I spread some along so that wherever they are, they can actually have access to food. Yeah, so this food is actually located under the light, so that at night under this place will be very bright compared to the other part of the brooding pen, so they can actually see the food clearly under here and come to eat at any time of the day. This is where they mostly come to sleep, that is around the coal pot. That is where they come to sleep at night. But with light, with the place lighted up, they really do not they just have a little time to have a nap and they are active again. So guys, that will be the update on day 4 of brooding here at Scent Farms Quail section. I'll see you guys in the next video as I bring you more daily updates on our quail brooding. And if this is what you really like, you want to subscribe to this channel to be getting more updates on quail farming, rabbit farming, chicken farming, and lots more. I'll see you in the next video, guys. From me, Vincent of Scent Farms. Bye bye.